Tokyo's hidden temples of stillness, spiritual gems beyond the crowd. Soft temple bells, early morning mist, footsteps on stone. Amid Tokyo's constant movement, there are places untouched by time, quiet spiritual gems that most travelers never see. Where silence speaks louder than sound. Nezu Shrine's red torii gates, Gotokuji's lucky cat temple, a monk sweeping a courtyard. In Nezu Shrine, torii gates line the hillside in soft crimson. At Gotokuji, hundreds of white cats welcome good fortune and a sense of peace only found here. Light falling through leaves, incense drifting upward, quiet prayers. These places aren't for sightseeing, they're for slowing down, for remembering that Tokyo's spirit isn't only neon, it's sacred stillness, hidden between city sounds. Sunset over temple roofs, reflection in water basin. If you listen carefully, Tokyo will show you its soul, in temples small enough to miss, yet powerful enough to stay with you. Subscribe today if you would like to get more tips and hidden gems from Tokyo, or share this video with a friend who might be traveling to Tokyo soon.